Hi, this is Corey from WBJR's 90s at 9 show, and today I wanted to take a look at the Donner wah/volume pedal. It's called the Vowel, so let's take a look and see what we get in the box here. So, one of the first things I noticed about this pedal was that it is a lot smaller than any wah pedal I'd ever seen. This is the old Crybaby that I had been using, and it had a bad switch, so I debated replacing the switch and figuring out how to do that, or just saying, well, let's give this thing a try and see what happens. And it had decent reviews online, but one thing people mentioned was it doesn't have a battery, and as you can see here, there is nowhere to put in a battery, so I had to get an adapter to remedy that. So the pedal was on sale for around $50. This adapter was $9.99 at Fret Mill Music, downtown Roanoke, Virginia. So still hadn't sunk a lot of cash into getting a replacement wah. And I did fix this one. I got around to finding a switch, and it wasn't that big of a deal replacing it. So I'm going to hook both of them up now and see which one wins. I'm guessing it's going to be the original Crybaby, but I think that I could still use this pedal as a backup or for maybe home recording or something like that. So let's take a look and compare the two pedals.